Today we will be reviewing the removal and installation process for the HP P4014, P4015, and P4515 fuser and maintenance kit. Part number is CB388A and the CB388-67901. I will include in the notes below of this post the contents of the maintenance kit, so the number of pickup rollers, transfer rollers, and feed rollers. And we will start this procedure by approaching the printer from the front, making sure it is turned off and unplugged for at least 15 minutes. We'll open the toner access door, remove the cartridge, pulling the transfer roller up from the left side, then the right. Reverse the procedure for reinstallation. Moving on to the pickup rollers. Now then, to install the installation, you want to install the clutch first, and then the roller you want to install straight onto the shaft and wait for, you'll feel a slight click, and then draw back a little bit to make sure it is secure. These rollers down below there's a little tab you pinch, much like the first roller, and then pull straight off the steel shaft and reverse the procedure to install. Double check, make sure it is secure by drawing back. That being completed, we'll move on to the fusing assembly. Pull down the rear access door, remove it. Fuser is removed by just pushing up on the two blue tabs and then pull straight back, and then reverse the process to reinstall. Make sure it is clicked in on both the left and right side. Reinstall the cover. A couple repair notes on this machine. There is a page count reset procedure. I will leave those in the comment area below. Page yield on this, the OEM recommends a 220,000 page yield, and the fuser is available in a number of different options here at Metro Fuser. That is it. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please like and subscribe to our channel, and visit us at metrofuser.com. Thanks.